This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Lori Dujmovic. This beautifully refreshed 2-bed, 1-bath home with over 1/3 of an acre is only steps from Riverside Park. Create a huge garden, or maybe you've been dreaming of a special outdoor space for those gorgeous PNW days. With an open floor plan and a lot of built-ins that retain the original character, you can't go wrong here. New luxury vinyl plank in most rooms and many other updates. This cute, cozy, and quaint home even has a garage with storage and shop space. This home has been modernized over the years, but your finishing touches are welcome. A cheerful front porch and kitchen garden window await you in this one-level home. This delightful home won't last long, so check it out before it disappears. For more information, review the details below.